Let's continue with our MCQ number 19. Which variable must be kept constant in this experiment? A. Amount of sunlight. B. Salt concentration. C. Plant height. D. Leaf color. MCQ number 20. What conclusion may be drawn if plants do not grow in water with 15% salt concentration? Letter A. Plants require more salt for growth. Letter B. High salinity prevents plant growth. Letter C. Salt has no effect on plants. Letter D. Plants adapt easily to salt water. The answer key for our chemistry lesson Roman numeral number 10, the effect of salt water on plant growth is as follows. For number 1, it's letter B, reduce water absorption. Number 2, it's letter A, osmotic stress. For number 3, it's letter B, the bean seeding. And number 4, it's letter B, salt concentration. Number 5, it's letter A, height of the plant. For number 6, it's letter C, distilled water. And then number 7, the correct answer is B. It prevents nutrient uptake. Number 8, the correct answer is letter C. It's the roots. And then number 9, it's letter C, data collection. And then number 10, the correct answer is A, the leaf wilting and yellowing. For number 11, the correct answer is A, 0% salt. For number 12, it is letter B, to reduce experimental error. And then number 13, letter B, it's a clay soil. Number 14, the correct answer is letter B, salt salinization. And then number 15, the correct answer is letter A, developing salt-tolerant crops. And then number 16, the correct answer is letter C, by measuring plant height or biomass. Number 17, it's letter B, osmosis. Number 18, the correct answer is letter C, lack of available water. And then number 19, the correct answer is letter A, the amount of sunlight. And then number 20, the final answer is letter B, high salinity prevents plant growth. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M, reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye bye.